Hi guys, my name is Stefania. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do a lip swatch video, a lip Sephora VIB sale haul. I did pick up a lot of lip products. These are mostly nudes. If you don't like nudes, I don't know who you are, or you know where you're from, because that's what I do here. Anyways, though, we will go ahead and get into this video. I tried out brands like Shiseido, I got some Bite Beauty, I got some Huda Beauty. Just overall, the products are one of my favorites. I like how I would love to say my favorite, but there's too many makeup products that I feel like are my favorites, you know? So anyways, we are gonna go ahead and get into this. Bite Beauty, I will tell you all the details, because I was very proud of myself with this Sephora VIB sale haul. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this video. Please do not forget to subscribe. And let's go ahead and get into this. I upload at least 3 to 4 times a week, so make sure you hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna murder a dog, and then we will get into this lip swatch video. Okay, Mobs! Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with the glosses first. These are the Shiseido glosses. I've never tried anything from Shiseido, so I have definitely had my eye on some of their lip products. I don't know why, but they just intrigued me so much, especially the caramel shade. So let's go ahead and put these on first. The first one I'm going to try for you guys is a Vinyl Nude. So I figured glasses are the easiest to get off, so I figured I'd try these ones on first, even though this is not a lot of product, and I believe they're 28 bucks, and I'm like, this is mini me size, I think. Alright. So I'm not going to do a super thick layer because I'm stingy, guys. You know, I just want to show you the color, but that's, you know, I want to use on my product. So this is actually really pretty nude. It has that little bit of like a rosy pink shade to it. It feels really comfortable on the lips. It's no sticky, which is good. So this is a Vinyl Nude. I really like this color. I am not mad so far. So Shiseido, I like you so far. Alright, now let's go ahead and try on the next shade. So this is the shade Honey Flash, and I actually really like it. It's a very caramel toned. I don't think a lot of people like it, but I actually really love these like mustardy type shades. I'm sure if you later on it will be even more like a darker caramel, but I really actually like this a lot. Alright, those are my only 2 lip glosses. We are going to move on to some more shades. Next, I have the Huda Beauty. These are the Demi Matte, so you can wear them glossy or dry. I have not tried these before, so let's get into these. So the first shade I got in the Huda Beauty Demi Matte is Shio? I don't know. I don't name these things. So this was more of the mauve type tone, I would say, that I got. I don't usually like these colors, but for some reason I swatched this in the store and I was like, ooh, that's pretty. So I don't know, maybe it's not as mauve tone as I thought it was. Well, that's not how it's coming off on the lips. It's definitely, yeah, it still has that undertone, like that purpley undertone, but a super nice neutral. It feels really hydrating on the lips, and like I said, you can just kind of blot it. So let me grab something to blot. Yeah. Okay. I got a makeup wipe, but it's like super dry, so nothing should actually come off. So you see how it takes like that shine away? So if you don't want a glossy lip, you can kind of turn it into a matte lip, but it's like, I would say it feels like a velvet type formula. Like if you have Kylie's velvets, it feels like that on the lips. It's not going to be transfer proof. Yeah, it's not going to be transfer proof. But I wore this after I tried it on in store, and it wore for a really good amount of time, and it faded super nice. It didn't look like cracky and gross. So that is Shio. Let's move on to the next. Okay, I went ahead and blotted my lips with some concealer. That way we actually see true colors. So the last one is Shio, and this one is Mogul. I didn't even know that's what I got. Okay. These are gonna be rough, you guys. Ooh, I really like this shade. So they're pretty similar, I would say. This one is probably a little bit less of that purple undertone, but it's like a nice rosy pink. I really like it with this look. I don't really want to take it off. So which one is your guys' favorite between these two? And like I said, I already showed you guys kind of the blotting. I don't mind shiny lips, sparkly things, but some people do. So, all right, on to the next. Okay, I got two Shiseido lipsticks. We are gonna try on, I got Nude Streak and Jazz Den. So Jazz Den is the lightest shade, which is usually not a good sign for my skin tone, but for some reason I saw the swatches and it looked good on all skin tones. So I don't know if they're lying to us or not. Okay, interesting. So this is what they look like. It's really pretty, nice bullet. The packaging's nice. And I believe these are the powder matte. I don't know what the hell that means, but we're gonna try it on. But it looks like a super pretty pink, like nude pink. Y'all know I love my nude pinks, obviously, so. Okay. That might be a little bit too pink for me. I thought it was gonna be more of like a neutrally pink, but I feel like it's kind of turning out more as a hot pink. So I don't think this is gonna be my go-to. It is really comfortable though. I wouldn't say it looks bad, especially with a lip liner. So I put some brown in there, but it's still like not my vibe, guys. Just no. So now let's try on Nude Streak and hope for better. And hope that the motorcycle stopped passing by. What? Like, they just drive around in circles, I swear. Okay, so this is Nude Streak. This definitely looks more nude, so. Can anyone else get over nude lips? Because I can't. Like, it is definitely my obsession and I just can't stop. Ooh. These glide on so smooth. I like this one. This one is the keeper. I think this is my favorite out of everything we swatched so far, other than the lip glosses. I really liked those, but as far as lipstick shades, I can see myself wearing this every day. All right, I'm gonna zoom you guys out and we're gonna talk about some lip pencils. All right, guys, so I did want to talk about some lip pencils. The one that I have all over my lips right now is 040. I've been really enjoying just wearing a lip pencil all over my lips lately. I think that just has to do with, like, you know when you have like the water bottles, I drink a lot of water at work, and then when I'm working out I have the bottles you put like your whole mouth on, and then you just get like that grossness around the, I love straws, but those don't come with straws. So I actually really like this because it's not gonna, especially in darker colors or colors that I don't wear as much, it's kind of like a foolproof thing where I feel like it's not gonna wipe all over my face, get all over everything. Like, yes, they're not transfer proof, but they're not as bad as lipsticks. So I actually have been really reaching for lip pencils lately as opposed to a lipstick or a liquid lip. They're just not as drying to me as a liquid lip. So yes, but the big secret, I want to tell you something, is that these are now, I don't know if they're going to be discontinued or what, but go get yourself some at Sephora because they were $9. And then with the sale, they were like $7 a piece. They're usually 18. They wear really well. They're super comfortable, so easy to overline. I would definitely compare them to like MAC lip pencils for sure. And yeah, $7. That is cheaper than a lot of drugstore lip liners at this point, or at the same price point. So I like went in and bought like a heap of these. So even colors I was like, I don't know if I'll wear that. I'm like, you're $7, you're coming home. But some of the shades that I will show you that were my favorite is 40, which is what I have all over my lips right now. The only thing I would say is, one, you have to sharpen them. First world problems, you know, and then two, you do have to, well, and two, you have to sharpen them. I don't know. But yeah, that's really my only thing. And getting it out of the stupid little plastic packaging on the side takes me a month. But I'm gonna go ahead and swatch some of my favorite shades. 46 is probably my favorite. It is like a dark cherry brown. I love brown lip liners. That's what I was gonna say. They don't have a whole lot of browns. They kind of have a lot of pinks and then some like out there colors, but not a whole lot of brown. I would say if you're an everyday, like looking for everyday colors, 22 is a really good one. 36 is like a mauve type shade. So here's that one for you guys, and that is shade 22. 36 lives in my purse, which is a Mary Poppins purse, except for the stuff doesn't come back out. I don't know where it goes. So 36 is somewhere in there. I think I bought like 2 of those because that was my favorite color. And then 80 I really like for like holiday or like Christmas, but look how sharp they come. Like they come to a point, which I like. So even when you resharpen them, they still go to that really nice point. But I feel like that is a really pretty color to put all over the lips, and same thing with that type of color. I get really scared usually that I'm gonna look like a clown because I touch my face a lot and kind of go like this, and this is kind of my way of being like, okay, it's gonna be fine, you're gonna be fine. So yeah, anyways, Bite Beauty, $9, go to the store. They are sold out online. I don't know if they're getting rid of these. I really hope not because I do really like them. I would not have purchased all of these if they were 18 bucks. Maybe 1 or 2 shades, but for $7, oh yes. Yes, I will. Anytime, any day. But that is it for my lip swatch video. Let me know what lip colors or like lip brands like you guys have picked up recently and what colors you're loving. I am a neutral lover, obviously, so I'm sorry this wasn't exciting for, you know, a lot of you. But for me, I am looking for everyday wearable colors that I will actually use. So yes, I have some fun colors that I'll wear from time to time, but these are more like things that we'll reach for. I really made myself with the Sephora haul be like, what are you gonna use, you know? Let me know your thoughts. Which one was your favorite? Which one you're like, oh no girl, do not wear that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.
So the one I have on my lips right now is in 040. These are the Bite